Motherhood's for life, it's not something in which you dabble. For me, she's not built to last, I love you's only techno-babble. Mother knows what's necessary, cause she always pays attention. That's why they say necessity's the mother of invention. Now I got you on the run. Technology zero, Mother Nature one. When a child cries out in the night, it's really for the washing machine. Science can't improve upon a mother's heart, but given time it can check out a spleen. So if you think that you could build a better mother, let it go, cause nature already nailed it 60 million years ago. You see, before it even begun, game over, technology lost, Mother Nature won. Game over, technology lost, Mother Nature won. So how's it feel to have your pattern posterior handed to you on a plate, son?